Running discrete event simulations and need to open an MOX model file. These contain complete ExtendSim simulation projects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and run these ExtendSim simulation software model files. Pro tip: for MOX files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. MOX files are simulation model files used by ExtendSim, a discrete event, continuous and agent-based simulation software by Imagine That Inc. They store complete simulation models including block diagrams, parameters, connections, databases, custom equations and animation settings for business engineering and operations research simulations. ExtendSim MOX files use a proprietary binary format encoding hierarchical block diagrams with each block's parameter values connection topology, embedded ModL code databases, custom dialog boxes, and 2D, 3D animation references. The format preserves complete model state for collaborative simulation development and version control. For managing MOX files, the best dedicated software is ExtendSim from Imagine That Inc. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows can't decode the full data structure, so proper access must be done through the correct software. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the MOX file and click Open With. Test ExtendSim first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If your MOX file still refuses to open, stay calm. To truly fix this, let's review the why, the top technical reasons this specific MOX error occurs on your system. First, opening in ExtendSim. Launch ExtendSim and use File then Open to browse and select the MOX file. ExtendSim loads the simulation model, displaying the block diagram parameters and any embedded data. Click Run to execute the simulation and view results in defined plots, tables, and animation displays. Next, verifying model compatibility. MOX files may be version-specific to ExtendSim. If the file fails to open, check the ExtendSim version used to create it and ensure your installed version is the same or newer. Older MOX files may need migration through intermediate ExtendSim versions to reach current compatibility. Finally, contacting Imagine That. ExtendSim is proprietary commercial simulation software. If you do not have ExtendSim, contact Imagine That Inc. at extendsim.com to request a trial license or evaluation copy. The vendor provides student and academic licenses and professional services for migrating models from older versions or proprietary formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.